Look at this straggler I found. Oops. He's just straggling along. Little straggler. They have blue eyes, dude. It's a trip. If I can get close to him, which I probably can. They have the bluest eyes in the world. I never knew that till like just last hurricane. Whoa, that beak is something else. If that's what I think it is. Damn, birds. The big ones are big. Are you I mean, your eyes don't look all that blue. I'm trying to tell if your eyes are blue, are they? Jaywalker. You're jaywalking. Can't do that. I'm only in the middle of the street, but you're not allowed to be. Look at you go. I need to get better at filming where the birds are. What's that, a rocket ship coming through? There's that one. What the fuck is this thing? See, that's a weird direction for the fucking fuck. The planes and the birds. Didn't you say that earlier to me? I swear you did. We can't even catch him? Okay, we did. Barely. Uh-huh. One comes in, one goes out type shit. Decoys. Broccoli tree. Cock, 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 cock. That came out funny. Straggler. Oh. They're all just flying around like the freaking things in the other things in the sky. The other things in the sky. I'm kind of making you a YouTube since I Hi, buddy. Y'all alone out here? Where's your friends? He's like, I'm like you, kid. I ain't got blood family.